It's always windy here, but we're gonna go to this bridge over there, and under it there's fish just stacked up. But the thing is, I'm pretty sure they only eat bird poop, because there are a bunch of bird nests above the bridge, or like on the side of the bridge, and the birds just poop in the river all day, and that's what the fish eat. So I tied this one up to kind of look like a little turd. I don't know if the bead head's gonna give it away. It does look pretty buggy though, so they might just see it as a bug and not even eat it, because they eat poop. Because they eat poop. Like, damn, they are big. They are big poop eaters. And it's windy, and it's so windy. I don't appreciate how windy it is. My line's stuck already. Oh, this is shaping up to be a good one. And I'm hooked already. Oh, this sucks. Okay. Get off there, please, dude. Oh, they get caught on everything. I have a very long leader. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna get a wind knot. My hat's flying off. I don't know. You see all the birds. There are so many of them. And they just scream at you the entire time. It gets pretty annoying after a little bit. I even hit one with a fly one time. That was pretty cool. Oh, damn. There's a cow right where I want to fish. No. I don't like cows. They don't like me. I don't like cows. It's not good. It's not good. Might just do the backside then. Oh, it's like a baby. Where's the mama? It says no fishing on bridge. I'm gonna just go on the other side of it. Just over there though. No, that's where I want to go. Come on, guys. That's where I'm trying to fish. That is new. I was not there last week. I don't see any on this side. Oh, it's so windy. Oh, it's so windy. Well, that sucks. I don't think I'll be able to it's too windy. Oh, dude. The wind's literally blowing the water the other way. That's ridiculous. Okay, we're on the other side. They're like right up in there, but the wind, dude, they can definitely see me from here, so. Can't even cast. Can't even cast. I don't even know where the fly is actually. Oh. I need like some gink or something. Yeah, got one. Let's go. Probably on the 6X. I don't know. Oh, yeah, on the 6X. Be calm. Be calm there, buddy. Woo! Got a jumper. Oh shit, okay. Now I gotta get down here so I can net him. Okay. Got him. Let's go. He's got all the seaweed on him. Nice brown. He's not even one of the big ones in there. Nice. Go. Nice brown. A nice one. On the pooper. Alright, let's get him back in the water. Nice release. There we go. Now he's good. Woo. Got us some seaweed too. Yeah, this water is really, really warm. So I don't think in another week I'll be fishing here. It'll just kill them if it gets too hot. And we don't want that. I want to catch more fish. All right. Get back up at the post. Go back at it. Okay. Get back in there. think about the same size. Maybe the same fish, who knows? Oh, what a big jump. Wow. What a big jump. He got me up on that rock.
On the turd again. They love the turd one. I got 2 on. My dry is sticking out of the water a tiny bit. That'd be sick. Oh. Come this way. Come this way. Come on. Okay. He still got some fight in him. He still got some fight. Whoa. Come on. Damn. Just snap me off. Keep this up. It's just 6X. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, he's in the weeds. Get out of the weeds. Get out. Get out of the weeds. Oh no. Shoot. He is in those weeds. Oh no. Oh, he's up. Let's go. Alright. This is a long fight.
But it's come to a close. Brown rainbow, nice. Let's go. Oh, okay, hold on. Let's get. There we go. In my nippers. Dang. Fish. I'm just gonna get some water in his lungs. I might have to grab him like I did the other one and revive him, which is okay. Oh, yeah, he's good. There he goes. He's gone. Let's go. Dang, guys. You know, last time I came here, it was tough. I wasn't getting jack, but now I came with the poop. I came strapped with the poop. Wow, oh, look how pretty it is though. What a view. Nothing on the dry, not a single thing on the dry. They're not even looking at it. It's all this guy. He's my weapon. I only got one of them, so if I break off, we're done. Should they be in that? I'm just letting my fly sink, honestly. Like, should have put both of them on. Should have put 2. Got him. Nice. That was sick. Record that. I did. Let's go. Literally hit it off the top and it fell down. He just munched it. Definitely a smaller guy. Not one of the bigger ones. Alright, let's do the same routine. Still got him on. Bring him up here. He's right there. Gonna bring him in front on the, oh, tiny guy. Gosh dang it. Little guy. Bro, I'm manhandling you. No, come over here. Come here. Come here. Oh. Got too much line out. Yeah. Fish number 3. The smallest of them all, that's for sure. Still, good catch. As soon as it hit the water, that was so cool. I think that's cool. Alright, let's get this shit out here. Okay. Let's see if I can get an actual... He's small, so he'll be good. Let's get some water. Oh, wrong way. Wrong way. There he goes. There he goes. Wow. That was a good drop. Oh, that was such a good drop. Alright. 10 more casts. Okay. Sun is going down. I'm about done. Got 3 or 4? I don't know, a lot. Nothing super big. There's bigger ones in here. I want to get one on the strip. They've been going after it. Just haven't been able to... Oh! Oh! There it is. Like I said, they've been going after it. Small guy. Baby. Oh, okay, that's fun actually. Dang. I gotta get back in there now. Can't leave. Try that little strip again. Still got any. I like just getting it back up in there. Cause there's a it's still taking. Ooh, there's one right there. I can see. It's still taking it. I like just getting it back there as far as it can go. Some strips. Oh, no. Oh. Got one. Okay, oh, okay. Hi. It's a nicer one. I hope he stays on. Stay on. Stay on. All right, he's gonna be the last one. Woo. Get that? I got that on camera. Let's go. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. He's right there somewhere. Okay, okay. Come on. Bring him up. Dude, he's a jumper. He's a jumper. He's tired now. He's tired. Come on, he's over there. Oh, he's right there actually. Ah. Ah. Come on. Don't snap me off. Oh, he's got so much more power. Come on. Okay, he's in front of me. Oh, nice brown, nice brown. Oh, come here. Yo, that's the biggest one. That's the biggest one. Dang. Okay. Okay, chill out. All right. Whoa, whoa. I want to set up a picture for this one. Good. Okay. Oh, my hip's cramping. Oh, can you? My hips, I can't. Okay, he's going. There he goes. Oh, that's a good fish to end on. Let's go. I'm excited about that. He stayed on. I got him on the freaking drag. It's crazy. Whew, I'm done. It was a good fish. I'm so glad I came out. Let's go. Let's go. This the guy I caught them all on. Nobody even looked at the dry. All on the little poop midge. If you know where this is, you know where it is. If you don't, that's too bad. Whoa.